64.
There we go.
They're like the same. They look both the same.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the blue and all our finals and all these other matches, we wanted to make sure you knew that we have a middle school outstanding wrestler. His name is Cyrus Hurd, the 106-pound champion from Bad Karma.
Nice job.
He's right down here in front of the tunnel. Cyrus Hurd, the 106-pound champion and outstanding wrestler for the middle school division. Cyrus Hurd of Bad Karma. The black he is holding in another nod to Ryan Keck is in the colors of Ryan Keck's beloved Cleveland Browns. It is what it is. But Ryan Keck loved the Cleveland Browns, so we did all the OW plaques in the Cleveland Brown colors as a nod to him, since these are all the Ryan Keck Memorial Preseason National.